Hey guys, so it's kind of early in the morning. Husband is about to head to work, but he's going to be making one of his go-to punches.
Well, it's a breakfast smoothie, meal replacement.
It could be, yeah, like a meal replacement, and these are some of the things he's going to be using in it. So he has his flax seeds, he has his chia, some oats, milk. So it's like a full meal actually, all in a nice
very healthy
shake.
So it's very simple, very quick. Go in one time, right? Milk, cold milk. You like it extra cold, no problem. I'll pass half. Not going in there. You have a frozen banana, one whole frozen banana. Now the riper the banana, the sweeter it will be. So in this recipe, I added no extra sweetener. You could add some honey if you want. Like my wife, she likes things that are extra sweet.
Definitely not.
Right, next up we go in with some oats. Remember, it's like a meal we go in here, right? So I put in a quarter cup of oats. One thing to remember, if you leave it sitting, the oats will absorb the liquid and it will get more like a oatmeal than a drink. Put in some peanut butter, we'll put that last. First we put in a teaspoon of chia seeds. Very good for you guys. All more of that. Next up we have the flaxseed. This is the ground golden flax meal. Get this one instead of the next one, it's much better tasted. Yeah, for sure.
The other one is like bitter.
Yeah. So this is the one, golden flax meal. Get that one. So the last thing we add in is a teaspoon of peanut butter. Peanut butter is packed full of protein, so this has the protein in it. And it's as simple as that, guys. Everything is in there. Like I said, you could add some honey if you want. That's all up to you if you want extra sweet. And we just blend it. Now it's liquefied. Put that in there.
This actually tastes pretty good. He makes this,
It's a quick meal on the go. You can put it in the fridge. Like I said, if you leave it long, the oats will expand and absorb it and be more like a pudding. That's the finished product right there. Healthiness in a glass. Tasting real good. Breakfast smoothie. And you wouldn't believe how good it tastes, and everything in here is healthy. Even the milk was the healthy omega milk. I use low fat milk, but it's real good.
So guys, you need to try this.
And this will keep you full for a couple hours. I mean, it has the peanut butter, the protein, the oats for the carbs, so you know, and oats is a slow breaking down food. Golden flax meal, chia seeds, good to go. Real good.
So guys, you need to give this a try out for sure. Could be, it's like a meal replacement as he said.
Breakfast on the go.
And it is pretty delicious. So this was a quick video for you guys. You know, hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a try out. Let us know some of the combinations you make or you put together. Thanks so much for watching as always, and be sure to try it out.